Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Ali Ahmed. Once again, I am in front of you. Right now, I have come to my village and making this video. And I hope that everyone is fit and fine. And I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And after a few days, I have come to my village. Actually, from beginning of the month, I was shifted to another house because of that house. I try to learn about web designing. Actually, I'm still learning web designing because of I think I need to learn this type of thing. So that's why I learning about HTML and CSS also. So that's why I was busy with my work, and now I have a time to make video, and I have a time to practice in English. Actually, I was busy with my work, but I could not stop my practicing. I could not stop my listening in English because of whenever I get free time. At this time, I try to listen video. I try to watch some English podcast on YouTube and Facebook. So I have a dream from my childhood, that is I want to be a great speaker in English. So that's why I will never give up my dream. My dream will never lose. Inshallah, I will be success one day. So that's why I try to practice every day, and I never give up my dream. And today in this video, I would like to say that to you: if you want to learn English, just practice every day and try to make video. Because of this, for this video, you can remove your shyness and you can remove your weakness. Because of whenever you will make a video in front of camera, and at this time you will be able to speak in front of people, and at the same time you will be able to speak about anything, like your nature, like your activities, all about thing. That is, right now I'm walking on the road, so I can describe about these things. Like, I am walking on the road, and there is a lot of tree behind me, and over there is a river, and behind me there is a paddy field. And in our village, most of the people are farmer, and they are doing very hard working. So if you want to learn English, so I would like to say that just do hard work and practice more and more. Inshallah, you will be success on day. And please pray for me, as if I can speak English fluently. And so no more today. Allah Hafiz.